Hey everybody, this is Mike from the Pen Outpost. For this video, we're going to be continuing through Colorverse Season 3, Multiverse, with numbers 25 and numbers 26. This is another example of an ink set where you get two different colors in the box. Looks like this. 25 is String, 26 is Brane. Brane is a glistening color. And it is available on its own now. But first up, 25, String. This is a, you want to call it a yellow, but golden would be a more accurate color, I think. Like a true gold, and it actually leans into a brown, similar to Noodler's Golden Brown. It has that same kind of shading characteristic. If you see close, it's got some nice shading in those letters, and I'm assuming this is going to bring out some nice color when it dries as well. So we'll set that aside for a minute, and we'll move on to number 26, which is Brane. Oh, well, let me write it first, I guess. I'm going to swab out of this little 15 ml bottle, which has a ton of glistening powder on the bottom. So I'm going to give it a good shake here for a second and get that nice and mixed up. Like I said, this one is available in a 30 milliliter bottle also. This one's already empty, or has very little left in it. So we're going to swab out of this fresh 15 ml bottle here. So these are both, earthy colors, a gold and an, for lack of a better description, an olive green. And the glisten in Brane is, it's that, I don't know. We're going to give that a minute, let it dry, and see if we can get a little bit of that shimmer to come out before I make any calls on it. But if I had to put a color on it, I wouldn't say it's gold. What am I doing? I wouldn't say it's gold. It has more of that kind of rainbow metallic, kind of blue silvery kind of color. So we're just going to give that a minute. So String dries to a nice, like I call it a golden brown. I mean, it's as close to gold as you're going to find in a fountain pen ink, I think. And it has a nice shade and some color variation in there. Even stronger up here in the letters, if you can see those very well. And then Brane shimmers out to kind of, I almost want to call it a pearl, because it seems to reflect the color of the ink that it's in. Like in Cat, it has that same thing, but it reflects a lot of blue. Well, this is reflecting a lot of green. And, it's not a gold, it's not a silver. It's hard to say what it is. And from the angle I'm looking at it, I can see some blue in there too. So I'm not sure what the color is, but it has a nice shimmer. It's subtle. It's not as strong as some of the others. And I think I mixed it up pretty well, but I think you'll be happy with it. But this is really an interesting color. I like it a lot. You can see how it has a little variation on that dot too, with a little kind of gray in there, which you can see a lot of that. So really, really cool colors in this set. So enjoy. 25 string, 26 Brane. These inks are available in a 3 milliliter sample, both of them, and an 80 milliliter set, 65 and a 15, at the Pen Outpost on eBay and thepenoutpost.com. Thanks for watching.